In this video, we will learn how to use the Generate with AI feature while creating courses in the LMS module of uKnowva HRMS. Let's get started. To begin, navigate to the side navigation panel in your uKnowva HRMS instance and click on the LMS menu. From the list of available submenus, select the Course option. This will open a page displaying all the existing courses available in your LMS. From here, you can manage existing courses or create a new one. To create a new course, click on the plus icon located above the course list. This will open the course creation interface. Start by entering the basic course details such as course intro image, course name, course category, course trainer, and skills you'll learn. For example, you can create a course like Introduction to Performance Management under the HR Fundamentals category with skills such as market research, goal setting, and performance evaluation. Once you have filled in all the mandatory fields, use the Generate with AI feature to create the course description automatically. Click on the Generate with AI button, and the system will instantly generate a structured course description based on the details you provided. For example, it may generate a description explaining what performance management is, what learners will gain, and how it applies in real workplace scenarios. You can review the generated content and edit it if needed to match your organization's tone or learning goals. If you want more control over the output, you can use the Customize option to refine the AI prompt and regenerate the content. After finalizing the description, configure the course accessibility and additional course details as required. Once everything is reviewed, click on the Save button to create the course. That's it. You now know how to use the Generate with AI feature in LMS courses in uKnowva HRMS. Thank you for watching.